Hello guys, welcome back to another session. In this session, we will discuss about do-while loops. First of all, what is do-while loops? First, actually, we will discuss about the syntax. Just do then syntax. Why? Then actually this is assembly code. This is some syntax for do-while loop. Here, actually, you learn about while. Yeah, it is the same function described in the previous classes. Yeah, same thing will happen here. Here, new topic is here to do. Yeah, I will explain about it. First of all, initialization I equal to 0. Next, we no, just to do. After that, your code system dot code dot print element just I value. Okay, here I just print this I value. Here your condition we should less than or equal to 5. Next, I just first of all initialize code just in Java. Yeah, here we go infinite loop. I stop it. Here what will happen? In this case, your high value equal to 0. Then this code belongs to do. Just do this condition. System dot dot interval just type. Your I value must be 0 in here in this case, and do it again and again. Cause I value less than or equal to 5. Your condition is always true when it becomes 0. So you need to increment this value 0 into 3 5. Yeah, it is actually like that for loop and while loop. Here new thing is do. Do is nothing but here in this case your I equal to 0. Here it will not suddenly do compare with I less than or equal to 5. Just do this thing. System router first of all print this statement. After printing this, then only check this I value less than or equal to 5. I hope I think it's confusing you. Here in this case, your I value equal to 0. Just to do means system dot out of println print the I value and increment it. Then only your while get executed after finishing this because Java reads line by line.